Today we are going to unbox the G3 and the G3 Plus. The G series is the street board product from Backfire, and the X means the off-road series. The 3 before the G is the third generation, which means that they are completely different product design to the second generation G2S and G2T. So the motor, electronic control system, battery, charger, etc. cannot be used on the G3 and the G3 Plus, and obviously vice versa. The G3 comes as standard with 96mm wheels. The G3 Plus comes as standard with 85mm wheels, best suited for racing and competition. And part of the package is the 96mm wheels too. So we have in the box we have the charger, we have a R2 remote control OLED, we have a Type C charger for the remote control, cable for troubleshooting to find anything out from Backfire if you need to. We have a skate tool, trucks, wheels, deck bolts, and a little thing here for the deck bolts. And 2 hex keys come as standard, extra bolts for the battery, and of course, last but not least, Backfire stickers. So there we are. That's the main key differences between the boards. I'll go into details later. Next, I will introduce the difference between the G3 and the G3 Plus, but I also want to incorporate the classic best-selling G2T, which has become a benchmark for its place in the market. We'll be using this board for a reference point for comparison's sake. Firstly, how does one distinguish between the G3, the G3 Plus and the G2T? The red emblem on the nose of the G3 Plus is a symbol indicating that this product, top of the line from Backfire. Take a look at the logo on the grip tape. Pure black is the G3 Plus, silver is the G3, and gold is the G2T. Size comparisons are as follows. The G3 and the G3 Plus are 90 by 24 by 13 centimeters, and that in inches is 39 inches by 9.3 inches by 5 inches. Slightly longer and wider than the iconic G2T. The deck of the G3 Plus is made of pure carbon fiber, but its flexibility is similar to the G2T. It is more suited to high-speed riding. The deck being made of carbon fiber makes it very light, thus making the G3 Plus power superior to that of the G3. The reduction of weight is an incredible 600 grams. It is not recommended that you jump hard on this carbon fiber board. It is not designed for a huge impact, and subsequently there is a breakage possibility. But be assured that flexibility and vibration issues are not affected in any way. Unlike the flat cambered deck of the G2T, the G3 and the G3 Plus has a wider deck, which also is concave, giving a feeling of greater stability, and this also helps you keep your feet in place. The deck of the G3 is a hybrid construction of bamboo and fiberglass, which is very flexible. If you like the comfort brought by this flexibility, then the G3 is a good choice for you. Trucks. Both the front and rear trucks of the G3 and G3 Plus use the famous caliber trucks. On the G2T, only the front truck is caliber. The G3 Plus comes as standard with 85mm wheels, best suited for racing and competition. These compact wheels also give you low ground clearance, high-speed stability, and drifting capabilities. In the same package, Backfire also supply a set of 96mm wheels for a more comfortable ride, plus an extended speed and range. The G3 comes as standard with 96mm wheels, comfort while commuting. The G2T comes with standard 96mm wheels and 83mm wheels. 2 boards for the price of 1. The G3 and the G3 Plus both use a 12S 2P battery combination. The G2T uses the 10S 2P battery. Increased voltage can increase the maximum speed of the skateboard and can also improve the efficiency of the entire electronic system. reduce heat and improve battery life. The battery capacity of the G3 Plus is up to 346 watt hours, and the capacity of the G3 is 260 watt hours. The G2T is only 216 watt hours. Coupled with the low heat and high efficiency brought by high voltage, the G3 Plus has 1.8 times the battery life than the G3's battery life is 1.3 times longer than the G2T. Obviously under identical temperature conditions and skater weight. Moreover, the maximum discharge current for the G3 Plus battery pack is 70 amps. The G3 is 60 amps, the G2T is only 30 amps. So the G3 Plus and the G3 will not heat up during use, and there will be no voltage sag. Another addition to the G3 and the G3 Plus series is a 1.5 amp USB charging point, which means you can charge up your remote or even your mobile phone. In the after sales of the past 2 years, we found that 80% of the failure rate is caused by water in the battery pack. Now the battery packs of the G3 and the G3 Plus are fully enclosed and waterproofed. So the Backfire battery is a nice enclosed unit. You can't see the battery inside because it's all sealed down there for making it full waterproofing. Connector is very simple, and on the front here we have a USB charging port for the remote control if you run down on power, and also your mobile phone, power supply for the board, and the fact it's so compact and nice, neat and light. In your backpack, keep a spare one with you, double the range. Brilliant. The light panels on both sides of the G3 and the G3 Plus battery compartments can be lit. When you quickly double click on the power button of the remote control, it will emit a breath of light, slowly pulsing like a slow heartbeat, indicating that the skateboard is now in a static or steady state. It's very calming. When you turn on the turbo button, the window will emit a high frequency strobing light and the skateboard will enter an aggressive mode, like an awakened beast, warning others not to come too close. The electronic control of the G3 Plus and the G3 are 12S systems that match the battery and cannot be used to upgrade a G2T. Oh yes, the G3 Plus and G3 turbos now have no turbo mode time limit. Yay! The hub motor power of the G3 Plus is 600 watts times 2, which can match the acceleration and climbing ability of most belt-driven electric boards. It's just very powerful. The G3 also uses a 12S high-efficiency motor, but the power is reduced to 450 watts, and the G2T uses dual 10S 350 watt motors. By the way, the G3 and the G3 Plus has interchangeable, replaceable tyres, but they are not compatible with the G2T. The G3 Plus uses a high-powered motor, a large capacity battery and a stiffer carbon fibre deck, which is more suitable for racing and drifting. The G3's large wheels and more flexible deck are ideal for long-distance riding and commuting.